Hi, this is Dr. Frank Torrelli. In a minute you're going to view a video on the hemocode blood test, which is a test for food sensitivities. The author of that video is Dr. Brian Wolf. He heads the U.S. distribution program. This program originally came out of Canada and has moved into the United States. We are really excited about this test because it will really bring in the proper dietary foods you need to eat by eliminating the foods that are bothering you. So listen to this video and I'll be back to you in a minute. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing hemocode. In this brief 3-minute video, I'm going to explain to you what you can expect. Patients that are having the hemocode system done are losing weight, their migraines and headaches are disappearing, their skin is absolutely clearing up, and they're just having more energy, sleeping better, and having a massive change in their health. So first of all, when you come for the clinic, please make sure your intake forms are completed and you bring them with you. Some people have many intolerances and some people only have a few. It could be 4 intolerances, it could be 20 intolerances, it could be 40 intolerances. The great thing about this is that it is customized for you, the recipe. So even if you have many different intolerances, it's really not that big of a deal because we've taken all the hard work out for you. And this is why it's so important to have other members of your family living in your household, including your spouse, also do the system, because we find that this may run in your family and it just makes dinner, cooking, etc. much easier for you and the family.
A simple drop of blood can identify your personal intolerances to 250 different foods and additives. Food intolerances are difficult to detect as they manifest in a number of symptoms over a prolonged period of time and result in the body mounting an inflammatory response to certain things that you eat. Use the ring finger of the non-dominant hand. Swab the area with an alcohol swab. Allow the area to dry. The customer should then prick his or her finger on the side as indicated closest to the pinky. Firmly press the lancet against the finger and puncture the skin. Do not remove lancet until click is heard. Hold the customer's hand below the level of their elbow. A small pool of blood should form on the finger. Allow it to drop into the green top collection tube. Collect 5 to 6 drops of blood in the green top tube and close the tube. Only 1 tube is needed. Give the customer cotton to apply pressure on the puncture site and assist with application of a Band-Aid. Results can be available within 7 business days. The hemocode system identifies foods that you should eliminate from your diet and recommends certain vitamins and supplements that you may want to introduce for greater dietary balance while following the elimination recommendations. You will also receive a recipe book that details hundreds of recipes based solely on your list of acceptable foods and additives.
You're going to be getting a package that has your report. It also has a wallet-sized card that lists all your intolerances so that when you're out at a restaurant you can remember what you're intolerant to. It also has a full-size card as well, and you're also, very importantly, going to get those customized recipes that I was talking about. The fee of $499 is due at the time your blood is drawn. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing the miracles.
So you see, the blood test is quite an interesting feature that we're adding to our practice, and we hope you're excited about this. This will be included in most of our programs. I think it's essential. Obviously, if you're eating foods that are getting in the way of your health, it's nice to know what foods are in that category and that, in fact, you can eliminate them and replace them with appropriate foods for your diet. So this concludes the testing. We will also utilize different testing procedures through our programs. A really good example is going to be the chorus test. This is a brand new test. Medical doctors are signing on this. This test is actually covered by insurance in New York now. And this actually checks for plaquing in the arteries. If you test, if your numbers are high with this test, then it brings you closer to an issue where you may actually have a heart attack. So it would really be nice to know where you're at. even if you're pretty healthy, you might want to see what your numbers are. So we're going to go over this test during our talks, and we offer this to our chiropractic patients, by the way, every day. So just exciting things are coming along. The medical profession is kind of starting to get on board on a lot of this preventative and wellness concept. So again, I'm signing off, and enjoy the website. Thank you.